Hello, here's a bit of an update video. I feel a little dumb at the moment because I got myself a drone, to get some cool footage of my mech, and turns out that it has a VR mode on its camera, so can literally just strap the drone inside the head and put my phone inside a VR headset, and I'd have a basic camera uh, system for the mech instead of needing, well, that big Raspberry Pi mess. I don't know where I'm going to go from here. Maybe I'll use this quick improvised system for the second mech I plan to work on. Yes, I got plans for a second mech. I'm probably going to have a video about some of the concept art for the design eventually, but it'll pretty much just, like a clone of Marduk, except I'll be building it a little faster, probably with my tax rebate. And I'm going to make it actually a little bit themed, because Marduk was just working with what I had over the course of the years, goofing around. But my second mech I'm going to call Talos, after the Greek giant made by one of the gods to guard the island of Crete. So it'll have sort of like a Spartan-esque motif to it, even though technically Spartans were not Greeks. It's what they usually associate with, that era. But I do feel a little dumb for not thinking of drones in VR helmets, but hey, learning experience. And, maybe it'll give me a chance to figure out something else to use besides my phone, because I kind of need this. Because this pretty much broadcasts Wi-Fi, and you connect to it with your phone, and you can control the drone with your phone, but I'm more comfortable with the basic manual controls, not the weird touchpad stuff. But hopefully this weekend there will be the full system test of Marduk, and we will see some good mech action. But that is all for today. It's not a very interesting video, just some talky projections, but here I'll make it interesting by showing some stuff I got at a Halloween sale that I forgot to show off. A orange plasma pistol from Halo, a needler from Halo, and a plasma pistol from, you guessed it, Halo. Now with these, I'm thinking about doing a test of a laser tag system with Marduk eventually, and it'll just be sending infrared pulses to the Raspberry Pi, and then the Raspberry Pi will figure out where on the mech you're hitting it. And I figure I might be able to put the pulsing circuitry, inside one of these fellas, so it looked kind of neat, glowing bits, and you'd be shooting a giant robot with, well, some Halo weapons, and I think that would be pretty cool. Then, that's probably going to happen sometime in the future with a bit of my tax rebate. I mean, Marduk, I've spent a lot of money, developing him, but in reality, I could probably make another one for a couple $100. I mean, I've already got a second snowblower. All I need to do is buy an engine, and then it's just all PVC and lumber, pretty much. Except for those 2 linear actuators. That's going to be interesting. And another car battery, but maybe I could just steal one of them out of one of my other cars. But that is all for today, I guess. I know, kind of boring video, just talking at you, but at least this time it's giant robot related, huh? Unlike the break video. So, until next time, I will see you, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.